Welcome to the today's lecture on half subtractor. Okay, so it is in the continuation with the previous lectures. Okay, in we have was the combinatorial circuit as half adder, full adder, implementation of full adder using XOR gate, implementation of full adder using two half adders. So in today's lecture we are starting the subtractor. So first of all we will see the half subtractor. So what is half subtractor? There are two inputs. Okay, there are two inputs are there. Okay, one is, let us suppose, x and another one is y, and there will be two outputs. One is difference, that is denoted by d, and another one is carry, that is denoted, borrow. Carry will be in the adder, so it is half subtractor. Okay, so let us see one thing. So we want to subtract 0 minus 0. So let us suppose x is this one. So this is x and this is y, and we want to subtract y from x. So what will happen? This is 0. This is the difference. Okay, this is difference. Now what is other possibility? We can subtract from 0 minus 1. Okay, it is one more possibility, 0 minus 1. So what will happen? Can we subtract 1 from 0? No, it is not possible. So we will have to take borrow. Okay, so we will take borrow. Let us suppose that is 1. So now it is 2, and if we will subtract from 2 minus 1, it will become 1. So this is difference. Again, what is the possibility? We can subtract 0 from 1. This is the possibility. Okay, so this, what will be the output? So if we will subtract 1 from 0, so there will be no problem, it will be 1. So difference is 1. Now the last one is 1 minus 1. So what will happen? It will give 0. Okay, so in this output only there will be borrow, and here borrow is 0, here borrow will be 0, here borrow will be 0. Okay, so these are the borrows, and these are the difference. Okay, so let us make a truth table for the half subtractor. So there will be two inputs. Okay, x inputs there will be two inputs, x and y. Okay, and there will be two outputs, d and b. This one is difference and this one is borrow. So truth table will look like this. Okay, so this is nothing but the truth table. This is for the input and this is for the output. Okay, so what are the possibilities? 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. And what is this one? What will be the difference? 0 minus 0, difference is 0. Okay, and borrow is also 0. 0 minus 1, difference is 1 and borrow is also 1, and 1 minus 0, difference is 1 but borrow is 0, and this is 1 minus 1, difference is 0, borrow is 0. Okay, so this is the truth table for the half subtractor. Now we want to calculate get the expression for this difference. So we will make the K map for D, K map for D. Okay, so it will be like this. There are two variables. Okay, one is X and another one is Y. So 0 1 0 1, so 0 1 2 3 like this. Okay, so it is 0 1 2 3. So at position 1 and 2 there is 1 in the difference. So 1 and 2, this is high. So what will be the value? If we will write the D, okay, so from here it is, first of all we will write for this one. So this is X bar and this is Y. So X bar Y. And if we will write for this one, so from this side it is X and from this side it is Y bar. So what is this? This is nothing but XOR gate. X XOR Y. So that is very simple. And now we will calculate the K map for B, borrow. Okay. So it has only one value, so it will be very simpler. We will see. This is X, this is Y, 0 1 0 1 0 1 2 3. So what will be the borrow? Borrow will be, it is 1 at this position only, at 1 only. So this is 1, so here will be 1 and rest of the positions will be 0. So by using this K map, what will be the value of B? Borrow. Value of the borrow will be just, this is only the value we have to calculate. So this is a single value, single element value. So from this side it is X bar and from this side it is Y. Okay. So using these two equations, okay, we will implement the circuit. Okay, so let us implement the circuit. So, and this is the block diagram. Okay, if anyone will tell you that make the block diagram, so you must make this one. This is the block diagram. Okay, and write what will, this will be the input X and Y, and what will be the value of D, difference. Difference will be A XOR B, that is, sorry, inputs are X and Y now. So it will be X and X XOR Y, and what will be B? B is the borrow. Now we have an expression X XOR Y. Okay, so make the block diagram of this one, and how, what will be the circuit inside, so that using this input we can get this output. You are very similar, you are very familiar with the circuit implementation, but I will just show you in 1 minute. It is a very simple thing. Okay, so we will use the SOP expression, sum of products. Okay, and we will use just the basic logic gates and or not, okay, to implement that circuit. So it may also be written as A Y bar plus X bar Y. That is very simple. Okay, the XOR implementation will be like this. So circuit implementation, or you can say the design, circuit design. Okay, so what will be the circuit design? DESIG. Okay, so SIGN. Sometimes there is a misprinting. Okay, so no problem, we'll go further. So it is, we have two inputs X and Y, so definitely we will take two inputs. Here it is X, and we will take X bar also, so that implementation becomes very easy. And here it is Y, okay, and here we will take the Y bar, so that implementation become further very easy. So first we will have to get this value. Okay, x y bar plus x bar y. So we need two AND gate. One for getting this value x y bar and other for getting this value x bar y, and we will need one OR gate for adding this one. Okay, so this is one AND gate and this is another AND gate. So here we need x y bar and here we need x bar y. So connect accordingly. So connect it with x and connect it with y bar. That is very simple. And connect it with x bar and connect it with y. That is very simple. And make OR gate here and give these two inputs here. So you will get what? It will just sum of these two. Okay. So it will be x y bar plus x bar y. That is nothing but x or y, and this is nothing but d. Very simple. Okay. Now we have designed the circuit for D, and now we will design the circuit for B. So what would be the circuit for B? It is very simple. It will be only AND gate only. Okay. And what we need at output x bar y. So what is x bar? So this is x bar, and what is y? This is y. Okay. So you have now here, this is your B and this is your D. So if we will see like this, okay, if make all these things inside your box. So these two are inputs x and y, and these two are outputs. This is D, and D is equal to x or y, and B is equal to this x bar y. Isn't it? We have implemented or not? Okay. So see you in the next lecture. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching.